G'day, it's Robbie again. Well, I'm still plodding along with the Stirling engine, and I've got some more done. I've got the displacer cylinder made up, all out of brass. Turned out pretty good. And now I've got to machine the back support that goes in with a thread on it, so it will go onto the little gallery block here. So that will basically come in like that, and then it will have a little stand out about there, and it will do its stuff. Now, machining brass is a filthy job. I mean, the stuff goes absolutely everywhere. It flies all over the place. I hate machining brass. It looks terrific once you've finished it, but by hell, it makes a mess. You know, it just sprays everywhere. So I'll show you why lead screw covers are such a fantastic thing on a lathe. They're the best thing since sliced bread, I reckon. Check this out. This stuff's a mongrel to machine. You can also see how the little plate keeps it off the ways, and also to say machining aluminium, it stops it getting between the carriage stop and the front of the carriage and sort of, you know, clogging it up. It all just falls off, and very handy, that plate. But yeah, brass, what a job, eh? Huh. I'll show you the back lead screw as well. Here's the back one. It's got a good coating as well. So yeah, those lead screw covers are awesome things to have on your lathe, I reckon. You lose a bit of travel, but by hell, they're bloody good. Yeah, check out the mess. It's terrible. But we're getting there, and the old lathe's doing a good job. Dead accurate, this thing. It's amazingly accurate, really. This is where our carriage stop is great. We're not chasing dials because they're going to get covered in the track anyway. This is a good example of where those cheap digital readouts that people fit on lathes, you know, uncovered varieties, just wouldn't be worth a damn in this sort of situation. They'd just be clogged up and absolutely useless, you know. I mean, when you're working on this sort of stuff, you can't beat a good old carriage stop. And yeah, all that digital fancy shit's not worth a cracker, really, when you're working on stuff like this. Anyway, I'd never bother fitting it on my lathe, that's for sure. So let's do some more. See if it works. How close are we? Yeah, we got a way to go yet. See how the ways 100% clean. Just a little plate like that stops all the crap going down there. I mean, this is where all your wear is going to take place on a metal lathe. If you can cover that area up, your lathe will last 100 times as long. So, I mean, as you can see, not a spot on there. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, they're really worth fitting, those things. And of course, lead screw covers. Yeah, they do a mighty job as well. Ooh. We're there. We're there. Just as well I check that. Oh, splinter. Bloody brass. Great for splinters. So yeah, we are there. I'll put a bit of wet and dry on there, and it should just slip straight on, I think. Bit of wet and dry and some lube just to take the burrs off, and then it should just fit straight in. Bit of our lube paper just to clean it up. Nice finish, looks good. Yeah, look at that, eh? Got me good or what? Yeah, does she fit? Snug as a bug in a rug. Scary, scary tight. That's good. That's perfect. So, yeah, that's the way we want it. That'll be pretty much airtight. That will just twist on. Perfect. Oh, how awesome is that, eh? So now I've got to machine a thread for it to fit. This actually have to. This is on the reverse way. It will be. I've actually got to cut that off, and the back of that will fit into here. And on the end, I'm going to machine the thread that goes into the crossfeed gallery. So, yeah, we're getting there. The old brass certainly does look nice, doesn't it? All right, that's it from me. See you next time. Cheers.